A very good evening to one and all watching this lecture. Today we are going to study about cell. So let's start with this cell. So as we all know, a cell is structural, a very basic, it's a very basic structural and functional unit of a body. Yes. So cell. Now you can see that you have two diagrams. Like you have plant cell and you have animal cell. So as I told, that it's a structural functional unit of our body. After that, I would like you people to see these two diagrams over here. So let's take first plant cell. Yes. So plant cell, I have labeled everything. Yes. Now you can see very clearly. It's like two diagrams are presented in front of you. So first you have cell wall, which is dark green in color. I have showed a dark green color cell wall. Yes, it's an outermost covering of the cell in plant cell, specifically in plant cell. Then you can see the second layer, that is cell membrane, a lightish green color cell membrane, that is the second layer of a plant cell. Again it is having its function. We are not discussing the function over here, just superficially we are discussing cells. Then you have cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is a medium. You can see the whole yellow color medium. This everything yellow color, that is your cytoplasm, in which all the cell organelles are embedded. Now cell organelles means cell components. All the components of cell is also known as cell organelle. So cytoplasm is the yellowish color medium in which all the cell organelles are embedded. Then you can see a nucleus over here. So this is a nucleus which I have labeled here. Nucleus, yes. So nucleus is a brain of a cell. Yes, it regulates and it helps to control whole cell. Yes, so this is a nucleus which is having the genetic material of every cell. In plant cell also the nucleus is present, and even in the animal cell it is present. Then you can see the cell membrane, which is also present in your animal cell. A comparative study I am giving you, that cell wall is absent in the animal cell. It lacks cell wall. Animal cell, it is lacking the cell wall. This is a very important point which you should note here. Yes, then you can see this structure over here, that is rough ER. I have written ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Then you have a brownish colored this part, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then I have shown something black structures on rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is ribosome. So here also ribosomes are present, here and here. There are many locations where ribosomes are present. Even in animal cells, like we have ribosomes, we have endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now why it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because of the presence of ribosome on it. Then you have smooth endoplasmic reticulum in both, here also, even here. That is like it is lacking ribosome. So it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then you can see here chloroplast, a special organelle, cell organelle of plant cell. So as we all know that plants are green color, it is because of the presence of chloroplast. Yes, and this chloroplast is helping in photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, everyone knows this word. So because of the chloroplast and sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, etc. components, like conditions, the plant cell is able to photosynthesize, means it is able to prepare its food on its own, and hence we say plants as autotrophs. I hope this is clear that chloroplast is the organelle which is present in only plant cell. It is not present in your animal cell. So the animal cell is lacking first cell wall and it is lacking chloroplast. Next, you can see the mitochondria here. Even here you can see the mitochondria. So I have made here mitochondria. Yes, both the cells are having mitochondria. Both the type of cell, to be very specific. So mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Because it is able to synthesize ATP. Now, ATP is like a currency of our cells. So like not going to the depth of the part, just saying superficially. Then you have Golgi bodies, which is also known as Golgi apparatus. This organ is present in both the cells, if I have to locate it, and we say it as Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. And the function of this organelle is packaging the materials of the cell. And then you have the ribosomes. I have shown already the ribosomes, and I think vacuole is left lastly. So here you can see the plant, this is an animal cell. Animal cell is having very small vacuole, like this is a vacuole, and this is a big vacuole which is present in your plant cell. So vacuole and your small vacuole. Large vacuoles are present in your plant cell, and animal cell is having small vacuole. Okay, so vacuoles are the storing organelles of the cell. Then yes, rest all organelles are done. Okay, then I would say that lysosomes are also present in the cells, but I have not shown here, but lysosomes are also present, and there are many other organelles like centrioles, lysosome, which I have not shown here. Okay, I just wanted to take a basic topic, so I have not shown. So this was about the plant cell and the animal cell and their organelles. So just I wanted to distinguish about the cells, so I have taken. So basically today's lecture is about the 4 main confusing terminologies by which we people always get confused. So let's take one by one the 4 terminology. So first we are going to take protoplast. So I will write the word first terminology, that is protoplast. Yes. So let's come to the plant cell. Here you can see the dark color line, which is our cell wall. If suppose I am removing a cell wall from a plant cell, then it is known as protoplast. Okay, I will write the equation for you. Plant cell minus cell wall is equals to what? प्रोटोप्लास्ट. अगर मैं प्लांट सेल को लेती हूँ और अगर मैंने प्लांट सेल में से मेरे सेल वॉल को बाहर निकाल दिया, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? प्रोटोप्लास्ट. ठीक है, मैंने क्या बोला कि जो अगर मैंने प्लांट सेल लेती हूँ और अगर मैंने प्लांट सेल में से जो ये मेरा सेल वॉल है डार्क ग्रीन कलर का, उसको मैंने निकाल दिया, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? मेरा प्रोटोप्लास्ट. अभी वी विल सी अ वेरी गुड लॉजिक. Can you see that this plant cell, this animal cell is not having a cell wall, but the plant cell is having a cell wall. Now I told that protoplast means cell wall, like I am removing cell wall, means plant cell minus cell wall is known as what? It is known as a protoplast. So here we can say that animal cell is equivalent to protoplast. क्या मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि जो हमारा एनिमल सेल है वो प्रोटोप्लास्ट की तरह हो गया? बिकॉज हमारे एनिमल सेल में तो फिर सेल वॉल तो है ही नहीं, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं ना कि जो एनिमल सेल है वो हमारे प्रोटोप्लास्ट की तरह हो गया. ठीक है, क्या आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है मैंने क्या बोला? अभी एनिमल सेल है, सेल वॉल तो निकाल दिया, हम तो यही बोल रहे हैं ना कि प्लांट सेल में से सेल वॉल को निकाल दो तो तुम्हारा क्या हो जाएगा? वो प्रोटोप्लास्ट हो जाएगा. तो प्लांट सेल में से सेल वॉल निकाल दो, हटा दिया मैंने, तो तुम्हारा एनिमल सेल भी तो वैसा ही है, उसमें सेल वॉल तो है ही नहीं. तो इसके लिए प्रोटोप्लास्ट इज इक्विवेलेंट, मतलब प्रोटोप्लास्ट जो है वो एक समान है हमारे एनिमल सेल से. ठीक है, सो यू कैन राइट हियर प्रोटोप्लास्ट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू एनिमल सेल. ओके, यस, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? यस, hope you people are getting. You can make notes, a short note, so that you can remember or memorize these terminologies very